This is your present.
Is it heavy?
Yes, it's exactly what you wanted. Open it up. I got it for you because you love these.
Oh, their weight. Oh, they're 20 pounds.
And look what they are.
They're forest green.
No, but look at the things that they are made. They're the ones you like.
Yeah, they're the good ones. I hate the color, but whatever.
Well, that's the only kind. Pull it out. Let's see what one looks like.
Too heavy.
We're unboxing it. Get it out of its wrapper.
We need 15 pounds.
You need 20 because you're strong. All right, let me see you do a curl.
What's funny is that I used to do it.
And you know what's funny is it matches. Let go of this. Let go of this.
No, I had to hold it. Yeah,
Right.
That hurts.
All right, try again.
No, I can't again.
One curl. Just one curl. You can do it.
Good. Oh,
Let me
so
see.
heavy.
Let me see if I can do a curl. Yeah, I got no problem doing a curl. All right, so the reason she wanted these is because they're rubber here and they don't hurt your hands. And there's 2 of them in here. And yeah, you get them right on Amazon. I feel bad for the Amazon driver who had to, carry this thing to our front porch. Might have to give him a big tip for Christmas because that's 40 pounds right there. 40 pounds in this little box. What else is in there? Anything else? And the box weighs about 5 pounds. But yeah, that's them right there, man. 20 pounders. And we're going to use those to build muscle. And you need a 20 pounder. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where I do stuff like this.
Don't hurt yourself.
I just did. All right.